Hello traders and welcome to Trading with Bill, Forex and Options. It is Tuesday, October 20th, 2015. Traders, great to be with you. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies and white sandy beaches. Absolutely beautiful day today in Thailand. Nice and cool, slight breeze, not bad. Remember, we're here to helping losing traders become winning traders. We do that as a group, as we do it together. And we talk about Forex and options and trade plans and what we're looking to do and what we're not looking to do, and all that good stuff. As far as fundamentals go, we have a bunch of speakers today. I think the big one is going to be FOMC Chair Janet Yellen speaks in the New York session today. I call her Auntie Yellen. She speaks today, and I didn't come up with that, by the way. Somebody I listened to is called the Option Guru. He calls her Auntie Yellen. He just cracks me up every time he talks about her. And we've got Carney speaking today. So just keep an eye out for that. Markets are very slow. No big day releases till the New York session. London and Asia have been very slow today. So let's get started. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. And yes, they do call me Bill. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful career in the fire rescue department out of the great state of Florida. Traders, 9 days later, came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday. Well, I'm in my 8th year, and I'm still here, still in Thailand, having a great time. Love trading Forex and options. It's just like a regular day at work. I get up in the morning, I trade, and I finish at night. It's just, the time zone is really great. The only bad thing is that, all your platforms and customer support and all that stuff is all geared to what? New York, Wall Street time. And it's sometimes a pain. It keeps you up late at night when I need technical support, which I do today, so it's going to be a long night for me. But traders, I'm always looking for opportunities and probabilities that I can win these trades that I place. And the way I do that is I do it through technical analysis. I'm a technical technician. I look at candlesticks, I look at price action, I look at price structure, I look at support and resistance, and I use Fibonacci, I use harmonics, I use a bunch of stuff, to hopefully give me the edge to make sure that I'm on the right side of the trade. And yes, I lose trades, my friends. That's just the way it goes. You're going to lose trades. But, through hard work, you can beat this this fun career as a Forex and options trader. So that's just a little bit about myself. Let's get the legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex and options trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex and options markets. Most importantly, traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, let's go to some charts. Yeah, we have some new charts again today, folks. I had a really big problem with my trading station charts. I lost all my data, lost all my trend lines, lost everything. So, you just can't beat Ninja Trader. They just have the best charting package. You just can't beat them. So, messing around a little bit with some harmonics. I'm into harmonics. I like it. Haven't used them in a long time. So we've got some dark charts today. We'll see how they go. I don't know if I'm going to stay with them. But this is what we got today. So this is the euro dollar, and it's a 60-minute chart. And you can see, prices in this range are starting to pull up a little bit. I was hoping this was going to pull up to this 1400 area, like this 50% fib or the 38.2 fib. Possible entry zones there where we can get up there and bounce back and continue to go bearish on this. I'm bearish on this euro dollar. I have been for a long time. However, I was thinking we were going to get some really good price action. The dollar index chart looked healthy, and I thought we were really going to get a move to the upside. But it hasn't worked yet, and I don't think it's going to. If anything, it's probably going to drop from this area here at this 1351 area. It's probably going to take a drop from there. We'll see what happens, but I'm keeping an eye on it. Let's take a look at the pound. Here's the pound. Very interesting trade here that I have. Basically, I put this spreadsheet. Here's resistance here. It's just above the 5,500 area, and currently we're at 54.93. And I just took these slides, so these are fresh. And, I'm waiting for this to break to the downside. I'm bearish in the pound dollar. I want to sell this. I don't want to buy this. I do have a fib placed because I'm a little bit concerned about, one is the 50% level at 53.90, and the other one is 53.63, which is a 38.2, where I think we could probably get a bounce and possibly bounce back to the upside. So just keep an eye on that. we're going to see what happens here, and that's why I have a fib on there. It's just going to help me out. I really hope it won't break out of that trend line at the 618 fib, so I don't have to worry about that too much. It's got to break that trend line, give me a nice bearish candlestick formation, and we can take it to the downside. I'd really like a retest of that trend line and then take it down. However, this is an hourly chart, so it could take some time to do that. And, we're 2.5 hours into the London session already. So it is currently 5:27 on Wall Street in the morning, and it is 4:27 in the afternoon here in Thailand. All right, let's take a look at the Euro Yen. Euro Yen 60-minute chart popped out of this wedge that I put in here, and I'm waiting for this to pull back. That's basically what I am. I'm bearish in the Euro Yen. I have no intentions of buying it. I'd like to sell it. It's a great place to sell. So I just need some incentive to do that. A couple of bearish candlesticks. I like that wick. I'd like to see that close as a doji, and we can take this back down to the downside. So I'm looking at, take this all the way back down. Really like to take it back down to 135.100 would be a nice target area. Or the bottom of the wedge at 135.20 would be fine, and we can do that also. So those are just a couple of things that I'm looking at today. Not a lot on this Tuesday with no data. Boy, it really definitely definitely puts a gag in our operation when we get no data coming out, no price action. So it's a pretty technical day today. It's all technical. All right, let's talk about options here just for a second. I don't have any options charts for you. I was not taking in my Nikkei symbol, NKE, Nikkei, however you want to say it. And the platform did not take me in last night. I left it in overnight, hoping that they would eventually take my trade. They didn't. I'll try again today. Also looking at a different trade, but we're to Tuesday already, so it looks like I'm going to have to go out another week. So it's sort of messing up because we want to run here. You can see we've traded 4 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on our 5th week this week, and we've made $375 and no losses yet. So we've done pretty well. I did take profit here at $54. I made a mistake, traders, and I'm not trying to tell you that when I make a mistake. When I exited the trade, I was at $61. Remember, this only had a $63 maximum. What I did was I closed the trade, but I closed both sides of the trade, and that was the mistake. I should have left this. If you remember, this was a 122, 120, right? We sold at the 122, and we had insurance at the 120. I should have left the 120 insurance and let it just expire worthless at the end of the week, because it would have expired on Friday, and it probably would have never come back down to that price of 120. Instead, I closed out. Well, what happens is when you close that out, you get charged for that, and so I closed it out, so I lost $9 or $10, $9. So, I made a mistake there. I should have left that insurance. We just left it open. It would have expired worthless on Friday. I don't think there was any way it was coming down. This thing is really bullish. It's almost up to 212 or 213 last time I looked. So a little mistake I made there on the Nikkei. I'm sorry, the triple Qs. The triple Qs is way up there. So we'll see how it goes. But you learn from your mistakes, and I totally forgot to leave that open, and I did the duplicate order, and it took it right away, and I said, oh, what did I just do? And yeah, so $9 I lost, but $9 is $9, so you don't make that mistake again. It adds up, folks, and you'll see that as we continue our trading together. All right, traders, not much to say today. Don't have no options charts for you. Hopefully I'll have some for you tomorrow, and we'll have some trades going. We're going to be trading the New York session tonight, and hopefully we'll get something going. Traders, I'd like to thank you for joining me today, October 20th, 2015, on a Tuesday. Traders, you can always follow me at tradingwithbill.com. You can check out this video and all my other videos. Just go to the video channel at the top right-hand corner. You can follow me on Twitter at WKG1960. You remember, we are here helping losing traders become winning traders. Do that as a traders. Again, thank you so much for being with me, and we will catch you tomorrow with another video, and hopefully we'll have some better price action and some better news for you. Okay, traders, have a great day, and always remember to trade smart and not hard. Take care now. Bye-bye.